How much do you really know about drinking and driving? Most people think it's just when you drive after consuming alcohol, but did you know that you could still be driving drunk as far as the next day? Even though you may feel sober after getting some rest, there is a possibility there's still alcohol in your system. If you're worried about what you drank the previous night, then before you drive the next day, check your blood alcohol level by using the lightweight AL8800. The self-measuring breathalyzer AL8800. With its simple design and small size, it is easy to carry and use. Also, the chemically formulated electric powered sensor is equipped with precise measurements that work as a personal breathalyzer. With the AlcoScan AL8800, anyone, anywhere, at any time can easily check his or her blood alcohol level. Don't forget, after you drink, use the lightweight AlcoScan AL8800